Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Tpms sensor on a Dodge Charger. Begin by parking on level ground and chocking wheels to prevent movement. Remove the wheel and deflate the tire fully before unseating the bead. Clean the valve area and inspect the rim for corrosion or damage that could affect the new sensor. Keep all nuts and caps organized to avoid cross-threading during reassembly. Start by fully deflating the tire and removing the valve core to relieve pressure. Use a proper tire machine or experienced hand technique to unseat the bead without damaging the rim. Once the bead is clear, access the valve stem and remove the sensor retaining nut and rubber grommet. Carefully pull the old sensor out, noting its orientation and mounting height so the replacement installs the same way for correct functionality. Insert the new sensor with a lightly lubricated grommet, making sure it seats squarely in the valve hole to avoid leaks. Thread the retaining nut by hand to prevent cross-threading, then torque to the specified value for your wheel type. Reseat the tire bead and inflate to the recommended PSI, then check for leaks around the valve. Finally, use a Tpms programmer or the vehicle's relearn procedure to register the new sensor so the data.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.